Hello, I'd like to show you how we are going to use the experts platform on Growthbond. The first thing we are going to talk about is logging into the experts platform. I want to log into my account. Okay, now we are back, and so in order to apply for jobs, where is my notepad? If you want to apply for jobs, you are going to go to the top left, to the top right, I'm sorry, and then you go to requests. So every day, if you go to all requests, you are going to see the new job posts that have been created, and you are going to be able to apply for these jobs. So I have clicked all requests, and great. So the requests have loaded. What you see on this page, and I'd like you to be very keen on it. What you see on this page, experts.growthbond.co/request. These are open jobs by clients. You can open one of them. Let's say, for example, we have send real estate. You can load more to see more jobs when you click on load more. Oh, and yeah, there is this job here that is posted by K. So if you look at this job post, if you see to your right, you will see view more, send custom offer, contact user. If by any chance send custom offer is not black, it is not clickable, this means that you cannot apply for this job. I advise you to contact me instantly, and then I will help you know why you cannot send custom offer. So in order to apply for this job, you will be able, you just click this button here, send custom offer, and you write a description telling the buyer of your experience, like say, hey, I have been doing writing for maybe a year now, and you write the price as 5, and you'll complete in maybe 3 days. Hold on. So at this place, as I was saying again, you are going to send your custom offer like, hey, I can write captivating articles in maybe 1 day, and you add your pricing, maybe 5, depending on your pricing. I'm not saying you write 5, you can write whichever amount you feel that you should be paid for the work you've done. And then you're going to complete it in 2 days. So here, probably 2 days. And then you submit custom offer. Just like that, the client is going to see that you sent the custom offer.